Hi, I'm Sebastian Copeland, and I would like to take you on a journey. Every time I come back to places like this in the Arctic or Antarctica, I see the collateral and remote impact of human activities and climate change. What happens here is a cautionary tale for the world at large. So what can be done about it? And what is an automaker like Audi doing about it? So let's go explore. We could be fooled into thinking that we're having a nature walk here, but we're on the rooftop of the Neckarsulm plant. Can you tell me a little bit about this?
For us, this green rooftop is very important because it stores water and it's a very good habitat for all insects and birds here in the plant.
I see a lot of technology here.
So the reason why we are here is to show you one purpose why we need water for automobile production. We see here the most efficient cooling towers here in our plant that we use to cool the water from our welding robots in the second floor.
This is incredible. It feels like a movie.
Yeah, it's like in the future, but already there.
It really is. So these machines run really hot and they need cooling?
Yes, they do run really hot during the welding process. And like we saw before, the water circles from here, from the robots, up to the rooftop, where we cool it down in these hybrid cooling towers. Water is a really important source. It's a big goal for us to try to close all our water loops in the plants to save as much water as possible in our car production process.
And where's the water coming from now, and where do you intend it for it to come later?
Yeah, currently we draw the water from the river Neckar, which is next to our plant.
So Andres, the water comes from the river here and is transported. Can you tell me what's going on over here?
Here we remove the carbon and the solid parts from the water by adding chemicals.
Over here?
That's what you see here.
Mm-hmm. So all of that you have down there at the bottom, do you know what that is, these clouds down there, or no?
Carbonate and the solid parts.
The solid parts, yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm.
For us, it's very important to no more drown any water from the river and its ecosystem here, the nearby Neckar. But our plans in future is to connect the local purification plant with our new water treatment system and then use the grey water of the purification plant for our processes.
So, Thorsten, what is the essence of the relationship that the plant has with Audi?
Yeah, we get the wastewater from the process from Audi, also from the paint shop from Audi, and we can clean it. We have special techniques for this. And then now we can create a circle and deliver water back, and that's new for us. It's a new process for us.
Without you, we couldn't realize that project, so we have to have you for support for this closed water loop. This gives us the chance to keep 70% of our water in our loop.
What happens to the remaining 30%?
We lose some of the water in our production process or through evaporation, for example. But to refill our loop to get the 30% back, we use again grey water of the purification plant and no water from the river. Especially, we want to have a look on reducing our chemical demand, and we do this in future with new technology that we build outside here. As you have seen, the construction area, a new reverse osmosis treatment system and ultrafiltration, we will be able to reduce chemicals.
That's really the essence of circularity, right? It's just basically closing the loop in the water and at the same time purifying the water.
Yeah, exactly.
We need water reuse. Yeah, we have to use it more and more, and again and again. I think that's important for the future.